In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to Xero. Let's dive right in and take you through this process step by step. Start by heading over to the Xero website and logging into your account. If you're new to Xero, you'll need to create an account first, but assuming you have one, go ahead and click on the login page. Here, you'll enter your email address and password. If you use two-factor authentication, make sure to have your device ready to complete that step. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Xero dashboard. Now, direct your attention to the connected apps icon. You'll find this in the menu options, typically at the top right or in a drop-down list depending on your interface setup. Clicking on this will bring you to a page showing any applications you currently have linked to Xero. We're focusing on Shopify today, so we'll continue by clicking on Find More Apps on the Xero App Store. In the Xero App Store, we're going to use the search function to locate Shopify. Type Shopify into the search bar and you'll see a list of results. Among them, click on Shopify. This will take you to the apps page on the Xero Store, details about its functionalities, and other user reviews that you might find helpful if you're considering how this integration can serve your business needs. On the Shopify page, look for the button that says Get This App. Clicking this will initiate the process of integrating Shopify with your Xero account. Once you've clicked on Get This App, you'll be presented with an option to Connect App. Selecting this takes you to the configuration page. At this point, you'll need to enter your Shopify store address. This is the unique URL associated with your Shopify store, typically something like your storename.myshopify.com. Make sure you enter this accurately to ensure a smooth connection. Once you've entered your store address, go ahead and hit Connect. Finally, you'll be prompted to follow some step-by-step instructions to complete the setup. These prompts guide you through any permissions or settings adjustments required to finalize the integration between Shopify and Xero. Take your time with each step, ensuring all necessary information is entered correctly. And there you have it, a complete guide to connecting Shopify to Xero. By following these steps, you've set up a seamless connection between your online store and your accounting platform, making it easier to keep track of sales, expenses, and profits all in one place. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and guides.